Most people think the only way to fix their money problems is to get a better job. But here's the truth the rich understand. A better job just means a slightly better cage. You still trade time for money. And your income is still limited by time, by energy, by your boss. That's not freedom, that's just a shinier trap. Wealthy people don't ask, where can I work for more money? They ask, how can I create more income without working more hours? That's why they build assets. That's why they invest. That's why they create value at scale. Think about this, a regular job pays you once. A business, a product, an online brand. It pays you over and over. So next time you catch yourself saying, I need a better job, pause, ask this instead, what can I build that pays me even when I sleep? That's how the 1% think, that's how freedom is created. You don't need to hustle harder, you need to start thinking smarter. Follow the 1% formula because wealth is built in the mind. Before the bank account.